How to fix Netflix payment confirmation error. In order to fix Netflix payments confirmation error, first thing first, you want to ensure you're connected to a stable internet connections. And after which, you also want to ensure your card details are correct and your bank isn't blocking the charges. You just want to contact them to check for funds funds fraud block, and then clear the browser cookies cache, or try another device payment method as well. Now then, what you could do is just go to netflix.com or on the web browser and click onto membership and plans. After which, you could go ahead and update your credit card or debit card details, and that should be able to help you out fix your Netflix payment cancel confirmation error. Now, other than that, if nothing works out, try using a different card if you have so, or maybe try using a different device that might also be able to help you out fix this sort of issue. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.